Alright, so we are going to do the leave-in conditioner. This is the only conditioner after I wash my hair, and then probably I use it 2 to 3 times a week to keep my hair moisturized. I like my hair to feel a certain way. I don't like it if it's hard. So I know you have some Loc people who do not use conditioner, but I'm one who uses conditioner, and I make my own conditioner, meaning that I take a regular conditioner and I add stuff to it for my leave-in conditioner. Again, your choice of kind of conditioner you want to use, but currently I was using the Cream of Nature. This product is excellent. Even it's another product it's a white spray, and a lot of people use that Allocate Natural too. I hear that. I never tried it, but again, I like to use the products I have, and I do like this conditioner. So, and also I love the smell of this conditioner. For some reason, I love the smell. But anyway, we're going to make my leave-in conditioner, and like I said, recycle bottles. Why buy new bottles? So I like this bottle. I wish it was smaller. I can travel with. I can't travel with this, but this is the one I use when I'm at home. So you can tell I'm very low, so it's time to make some. I don't make a full bottle. I make probably about a half, because I don't want stuff to go bad on me. Because I am mixing stuff, I don't want things to go bad, so I don't make big quantities of it. I probably make like a half a bottle, and this will probably last me probably a month to a month and a half, but let's get to making it. So let me move this over here. Let's get the conditioner into the bottle. I have like a spatula. I don't know where I got this spatula from. This process is not the easiest process here. It might be other ways of doing it, but this is what I do. So I kind of spatula it in and do the little tappy and stuff, but I don't use that much, so I don't mind kind of doing this messy way of doing it. But I wanted to show you exactly what I do, and this is what I do and how I do it. You don't have to do it this way. Also, it gives us a chance to chit chat. So as I'm scooping in my conditioner, have you watched some of my other videos? Have you joined my channel? Or you want to come back and visit me? Have any of my tips helped you? I'm hoping it helps someone, help someone to maybe not make some of the mistakes I have made. As an Asian woman, I have some videos out about Asian women, videos out about saving money and not being a product junkie. Check out that video. I thought that was pretty nice. It might ring something to you. We don't know, but okay. For that is enough conditioner right now to be in there, because I don't want to get product buildup. So you don't really need a lot of conditioner. That is probably I say probably good 2 to 3 tablespoons of conditioner. So I get that in there. Let's just clean it up a little. Let's clean it up a little. I'm gonna do my little tappy. So sorry, my nose is kind of. It is, for some reason, allergies. And it is winter here in Philadelphia. But anywho, we're not talking about that. So, we have the conditioner. Like I said, I don't make a lot. Also, the thickness of your conditioner is up to you. I don't like mine's too thick, but then I don't like it too thin either. I like my hair to be moisturized. So, first thing we're going to put in is our rose water. Remember, I had a video. I just made a video. Save shirt. Harley shirt. So, also put this in my itchy spray, but also put it in my leave-in. I put a little bit more in my leave-in, so I'm taking the top off. More likely, this whole amount is probably going to be used in here. So we're going to pour. If I don't make a mess, I'm going to pour all that in there. And I did make a mess, so we're just going to slide that in there. We're going to put that up here. That bottle is done. I bought a set of 3. I think in my other video I said a set of 6. It's a set of 3. Oh, and that is not totally empty. So we're going to use all that up. Give it a little shaky, not too much. Just a little shaky to break up some of the conditioner. Okay, so we have the rose water in, we have the conditioner in. We're going to put some of the aloe vera juice in. Put some in here. There we go. I think we are proper up to here, and that is probably all I want to make. So I'm going to move that to the side, so both of those are in it. I'm going to put the lid on and give it a nice hard shake. I want to clean up too as myself, so let's clean this up a little. Put this back down here, and we're going to give it just a little shake to break up the conditioner. Just to break up the conditioner a little. See, being a Loc person, you don't have to spend a lot of money. It doesn't take a lot. This, even with me only taking it to here, this is still going to probably almost last me a good month and a half. So, with that being in there, so now I do like to put, again, like I said in the other video, and if you haven't watched it on the itchy, I put vitamin E in anything that I mixed just to make sure I don't want anything going bad on me. And that's vitamin E is your preservative. So I just find it just to be on the safe side. Remember with Locs, you know, things can get trapped in your locks. I used to make sure I did it with natural hair too, because, you know, I just don't want to put anything in my hair that can go bad. So let me give it a little bit more shake since the vitamin E oil is in there. And I usually sometimes put some other oil depending on what I have on hand. And I just picked up, which I used before when I was a natural, the emo oil. And I just picked up another because I haven't used it in a while. So I am using emo oil, which is supposed to be pretty good for your hair too. So let's put a little bit of emo in there. And I probably are putting close to a tablespoon. So again, this Amazon, I think this was like $9 for this, but this is going to last you for a while because you don't use that much. I only use this in my leave-in conditioner, and I don't use it every time. These are little oils and stuff I use to treat myself. So I do this a little shaky. Nice hard shake because you want the conditioner to break up. And that is my leave-in. I will probably show you me using my itchy oil because today is time to put some conditioner. It's time to put some itchy stuff on there and time to oil my scalp. So Sunday is the day that I really go in and get my hair moisturized and get it ready for the next week. So I will also show you a video of that. That will be my next video. But this is my leave-in conditioner. I use this after I wash my hair, usually 24 hours after I wash my hair, because after I wash my hair, I let my hair fully dry after my hair is washed with nothing in it because I don't want to have any chance of mildew. The next day after is when I put my leave-in conditioner, because your hair shouldn't be that dry right after you wash it because it's still drying from the inside out. So I want my hair to be fully dry, no chance of mildew or anything. So after a full wash, my hair has to totally dry, probably till I don't put anything in my hair until the next day. But this is my leave-in conditioner, and my leave-in conditioner is whatever conditioner you want to use. Probably about 2 tablespoons of, I would say 2 tablespoons, I think, of leave-in conditioner. But again, you put as much as you want, you know, judge it the way you want. But the conditioner is what you like, whatever kind of conditioner you like. So name brands, let's not focus on name brand. Conditioner. And I have my vitamin E. I put that in anything that I mix together. You don't want your stuff to go bad. And then I put aloe vera juice in. I put my rose water in. Again, it can be just simply distilled water with a little conditioner. It's your choice. And that is it. That is my leave-in conditioner. So I will make a video of me using that on my Sunday kind of routine. So I'll see you in the next video. See you later.